Laryngopharynx or the hypopharynx is the part situated behind the larynx, part of the pharynx situated behind the larynx, and it is from the C4 to the C6 vertebra in the posterior relations along with the prevertebral muscles and fascia and the retropharyngeal spaces. Above it is continuous with the oropharynx and below it is continuous with the esophagus. This laryngopharynx in the anterior wall, it is related with the larynx. In the inlet of the larynx, there is it is situated just below the inlet of the larynx. In the inlet of the larynx, in the upper part we see there is a situation of the epiglottis, and below that it is in relations with the arytenoid cartilage and the posterior lamina of the cricoid cartilage, and it is in relation of the with the interarytenoid fold. In the lateral wall there is the arioepiglottic folds in the anteriorly in the relations with the interarytenoid folds, and the laterally there is situations of the arioepiglottic folds. This laryngopharynx cut off the larynx from the pharynx, and it is closed during the process of the deglutitions. During the process of the deglutition, this arioepiglottic fold, which contains the muscles of the same names, is closed due to the contractions of this arioepiglotticus muscles, and make the cutoff of the arioepiglottis with the due to the contraction of this arioepiglotticus muscles, the inlet of the muscles get closed, but the inlet of the larynx is not get fallbacks, particularly the epiglottis. During contractions of this arioepiglotticus folds, these parts is moves upwards and comes in relations with the dorsal surface of the base of the tongue. Thus cut off the oropharynx with the cut off the pharynx with the laryngeal parts. And in the lateral wall, you see there is the situations in the lateral wall there is situations of the arioepiglottic folds, and the parts between these two parts is called the pyriform fossa. This pyriform and also in the lateral parts it is situated in the above part, it is cut off from the epiglottic vallicula by the pharyngoepiglottic folds, and these pyriform fossas is comes in relations with the lateral wall by the thyroid cartilage and the thyroid membrane and the thyroid cartilage, which is pierced by the superior laryngeal artery and the internal laryngeal nerves, which goes from lateral to medial by submucosal leaves. And this pyriform fossa is very important because it is the catchment area for the foreign body. It is the space to collect the food by closing the oropharyngeal isthmus of the ruminating animals, and it is an important part of the smugglers. Sometimes they artificially make it difficult to hide the smuggling goods.